Hey there everyone, it's Kelly with Kellyscards.ca and welcome to this review video. So for the last year and a half I've been very frustrated and trying to find a fine tip applicator to go on some of my adhesives. One of my favorite adhesives is the multi-matte medium and love that glue, but when I want to get it into fine areas, it has been a struggle trying to find an applicator that actually has worked and hasn't broken. I've been very pleased with these Darice ones here. This is their ultrafine tip applicator bottles. You get 4 bottles in a package and it comes with these special tops, and basically they're closed with a pin. And I'll show you this one here that I have some multi-matte medium in, and basically this is literally just a pin that pulls out and you get this very fine tip. And there are definitely some pros and cons with this, but I have to say that this has been literally the only product that hasn't broken or hasn't clogged or hasn't caused such severe frustration. And I'm really happy to have found something that will work, especially in those tight and tiny areas. I have to say right off the bat, if you are going to basically adhere a big die cut or something large, you might want to not use something like this because these bottles are very hard to squeeze. This would not fit on my multi-matte medium bottle, so basically I squeezed the glue into this existing bottle that came in the package. I wouldn't use this for large die cuts or large areas because this is very hard to squeeze. You have to think how thin this area that the glue is coming through, and as hard as you push, it's only going to come out so much. So this is really great for very intricate small die cuts with small edges or letters, or trying to lift up something on a card that's come undone and just get a little glue under. This is excellent. If you have bigger die cuts, I suggest using stick-it tape or maybe even a Xyron runner. And I also have this big bottle here, this multi-matte medium. It's kind of like the paint style lid, and I will use this for bigger areas and then just dab off the extras. But really, in a whole, these bottles have far exceeded my expectations, definitely considering all the other products, and I have bought literally all the other ones on the market. I have tried multiple ones of each one and I've just been disappointed. So this is really the very first one I've been very happy with. So again, this is the Darice Ultrafine Tip Applicator bottles. They're sold in a package of 4. They've got the different colors on the top so that you know which is which. And I do definitely think that it is great for those little areas and definitely a solution for adhering smaller thin die cuts in the smaller size. So I hope you enjoyed this little review. You can check me out on my website at Kellyscards.ca. You can subscribe for more videos, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.